Hello students, I hope and pray that all of you are keeping well, healthy and started preparing for your standard 12th. Now that all of you are promoted on the basis of your standard 11th internal examinations, I am sure you have downloaded your books from ebalbharti.in, that is a portal of Government of Maharashtra. Your textbooks are available there, syllabus is new and nobody knows when the college is going to reopen. So we thought that let us use some technology and help you start your preparation for standard 12th board exams as well as your competitive examinations. So what we have done is, students, we have planned that we will pick up some topics from standard 12th which are related to your standard 11 and we'll post some MCQs only in the core subjects, that is physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics, and a day before we will post the MCQs. You will have to solve it and the next day we will have a session where you can ask your questions to your teachers. Now this, we have planned something about it. We have a registration process. Your attendance will be marked. You will go to your page and you will try to solve all the MCQs that are being posted, topic wise and subject wise. You are going to get a timetable for it. You will get 1 day's time, and the next day, after you have finished solving those questions yourself, you will have to mark your doubts and difficulties, and on the next day session which will be conducted via YouTube, you are going to get your doubts solved by your subject teachers. Students, this is not like any other online class. Here we are trying to help you in such a way that your boards are also prepared and as well as you are getting better prepared for your forthcoming competitive examinations that you will be facing in 2021. Your class teachers have already formed WhatsApp groups and they will keep a report of your work, your attendance, all those who are able to do it, who are not able to do it, all the record will be kept by your teachers. I request you to do it seriously. We will give you a timetable, only 4 subjects, and in a week you will get 1 day's time to solve those MCQ of a particular topic. And during your session that will be held the next day, I encourage you to ask as many questions as you want to ask to your teachers and it will be answered. So students, in this way we think we will be connected. You will not lose touch from your studies and it will help you to be in touch with your core subjects, because ultimately these are the subjects that need more preparation and that counts at the time of your final examination and your competitive examinations. I wish you all the best. I wish that all of you keep very healthy, stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourself, start your preparation for your standard 12th new year. Wish you all the best.